Hi, my name is Vishnu. I'm part of the WiseKeep AI team, and I'm going to be showing a demo of the biomedical knowledge synthesis platform called Orpheus. Um, in this demo, we they decided to use the COVID-19 open research dataset that was released to the public by the government. It contains over 50,000 scientific papers and preprints. What we decided to do was actually take this data set, and since it's not really humanly possible for one person to read all of these papers in any given time, so we've devised this platform to be able to automatically uh, analyze, synthesize, and extract the concepts that are present in all of these scientific papers, and then also infer the relationships that exist in these papers. And okay, we're going to see a demo of the Orpheus application itself. I'm going to start by searching for a COVID-19 disease. As we said, we actually analyzed all the papers related to COVID-19 and have extracted out three kinds of main concepts. It could be diseases, compounds, and proteins. So when you start typing into the autocomplete, you'll see all the different kinds of things we've extracted. In this case, I'm just going to click on the COVID-19 disease, and quickly you can see sort of a visual graphical representation of all the things that are related to COVID-19. And in this case, because we've searched for the COVID-19 disease as the center of the graph, and then we also show all related concepts. And now there's three kinds of main concepts that we extract out. There are diseases, compounds, and proteins. Now, you click on a node, it'll sort of give you more details about it, but also you can decide to not, see specific things and unselect some of these things. But let me quickly wanted to show you some of the concepts that the algorithms were actually able to extract out from analyzing the scientific papers. If you notice, there's like the ACE2 inhibitor, which is often talked about. There is also the popular remdesivir compound or drug, and a whole host of other concepts. And there's our hydroxychloroquine being also pulled out. So so one of the other things you could quickly do is you can say, okay, I want to explore some parts of this graph in more detail, in which case you can click on a particular node and then decide to expand it, and then that should allow you to sort of see the graph, the expanded graph, a bit more. You can zoom in and zoom out and all those things, and then you can also do the same thing. But the other cool thing about the application is that you can also click on any of the edges or associations between two nodes and be able to see, like, hey, tell me why you decided that some of these nodes are related or else have associations. And so when you click on an edge, it can actually tell you the number of papers that talk about this particular relationship. In this case, this looks like there's around 10 papers. We also show you sort of a confidence score of what we think is for that particular edge, and then also the different papers that talk about it and give you sort of a high-level abstract for those papers. And if you so choose, you can also click on some of these to take you to the URL itself. The other things that I wanted to sort of call out in this demo is, like I said, you can also adjust the confidence level of the graph itself, and the graph will sort of redraw based on confidence of the edges that you want to sort of use as a cutoff. And you can deselect some of the concept types that are actually also drawn out by the graph to make it simpler. Let's say you're only interested in disease and compounds, you can unselect the proteins and just look at disease and compounds being drawn. Thank you for watching the demo for Orpheus, the biomedical knowledge synthesis platform that can help accelerate discovery of new treatments. Bye.